Today we're unboxing the Bosch FLEXIDOME Multi-Imager 7000i with IR.
And Tom, much like the non-IR, it's going to be pretty similar, but we want to unbox it and see everything that's inside. Kevin, how about let's open in this box. So as we dig in, it's going to be, like I said, much just like the version without IR. We're going to have a bag full of some goodies. Traditionally, always stickers with Mac serial QR code. You have some documentation for quick install. You have some hardware here to include an Allen key. You have your Molex connectors here for power and I/O. And then you have your NTP fitting and a push-through for that fitting as well for your Ethernet cable. Next thing we're going to do is cover the mounting plate. This is the surface mount plate. Actually, it has a lot of useful information, just like the other model, on how that mounts to your gang boxes. Next in the box, we'll see here is the actual camera assembly. Much like the other one, has everything here. The only difference is we're going to have some connectors here on the side for your IR, which are built into the cover. And finally, this is our cover plate. This is where you're going to see the most difference between the IR version and the non-IR version. Your IR lamps are built into this black area here, and they make connection from these pins onto the board. So that completes the unboxing of the FLEXIDOME Multi-7000i with IR.
As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach us at support@midchest.com.